Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Land Rover Discovery Sport. So the circle here with the arrow in it, click on there. It's not showing you much at the moment, but if we click again, it gives you the screen where to. Click where to, enter postcode. We are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road. No, we're not, we've moved. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, postcode PR54EA. Again, great system in the Land Rover. Just once you've put that in, you just have to click select and then confirm destination.
Please follow the road for 1.5 miles.
That's it. That's how you do it.